Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Celestine, and my little sister, Athena.
Hi!
Today we are going to cook mini milk cakes. It is super easy to do and it tastes deliciously creamy. I'm sure everyone will love it. Let's get to it. These are my ingredients. Plain flour,
Powder milk,
egg white,
egg butter, salt.
sugar, yeast strips, and fresh water. We're going to start with the wet ingredients. First, the egg whites.
Thank you.
Next, the melted butter.
Thank you.
Next, the fresh water.
Thank you.
Now, the dry ingredients. The sugar, next, the powdered milk. Now, the plain flour.
Thank you.
Now, the baking powder. And lastly, the salt. Keep mixing and make sure there's no lumps left. This is how it should look like when there's no more lumps left. We are going to decorate the mini milk cakes. So, we are going to use 3 colors: green, red, and blue. We are going to put half of the mixture into the small plastic molds. I'm going to add 1 strip of cheese. I wrapped the lid with a clean cloth. Let's put the lid on and wait for it to boil. I'm going to put the mini milk cakes in the steamer one by one. Now I am going to put the lid on and wait for 20 minutes. Let's open it. Wow! These colorful milk cakes are the finished mini milk cakes. Don't they look amazing? Let's dig in.
That's tasty.
They look so tasty. Try it, Athena.
The board is so broken.
Try it, Athena. It's really nice. It's delicious.
It's delicious.
We made it.
We made it.
Yay!
Look at all the colors. She smiled.
I know, right, Athena?
It looks like a scary clown. Did you know what, everyone? That's so scary.
Thank you everyone for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed. Give this recipe a try for yourself too, because this is perfect for any occasion and you can be creative with it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting updates. See you in our next video. Bye!